Hi guys, today we will see audio video Moodle plugin. Okay, so if you search on Google, you will see the first link. It's a Q type. Q type means record audio video questions type. Q type means questions type. Okay, so while adding a questions to a queues, you will have that ability. You can select audio video or mix up type of a question type. Okay, so let me come here under courses, manage courses. Got it. Then under class 5, uh, English, this. So here I am going to enable the edit mode, and you can see here a queues, that is test queues 2. So I am going to add here my question inside this. Okay, if you come under question and you try adding a question here, you see there is no audio video recording. Okay, if you search for the audio, you don't see anything like this. You see MCQ, true false matching. Okay, so after installing this, you will have that ability. You can pick from here and you can create the question type like audio video recording. Okay, so for this I will have to install this plugin. So I will go under version and I will try to download the latest one. Okay, so my current model is Moodle 4.4, but you see here it's version supported to 4.2. So ideally it should work, but let's see whether it's working or not. So it's downloaded now, you can see. Now I am going to install here. So to install a plugin, you'll have to come under site administration, then plugin, install plugin, and I am going to drag and drop this one. Okay, so here you'll have to click on install plugin from zip, then continue. So here it will take some time on this page. Now scroll down, upgrade the Moodle database now. Yes, you see here this is the only it is being recorded, and you can see question behavior selfness is missing. So this is the dependency, so I will have to install this first. Okay, yes, you'll have to install this one also, because it's a dependency. So this is how the dependency will have to go through. Yes, so self assess, so I will also have to install this one. If I click on continue, it will send me back to that page. Yes, so it will sending me here, and from here also I can install, so there is no need of download. So available missing dependency, so I will click on the install here so that it install automatically. Yeah, so it's success, the check. So after clicking continue, I will have the two plugins now that will be asking for upgrade. Yeah, so if I click continue, upgrade model database now. Yes, you can see Q type recorded and question behavior self assess. Now if I click on continue, these are the settings coming in front of me, but I will let it be whatever is coming. Okay, so now if I come back and refresh this page and I will try adding here Q type, I can see the audio video here. Okay, so now I can see this is the audio, this one. Okay, so if you click on add, you can also see here the plugin type or record RCT. Yeah, so this one record RCT is coming. Okay, so you can validate you are using the correct one. But yes, I had already validated because it was not coming earlier during the time of adding question. So now I can create a question name, audio question. Okay, so here we'll have that ability. You can search either audio, video, single screen recording, multiple visit. So let me try audio here. This is audio question. Now save. Okay, so audio question is this. Now the same way I can add the video question. Okay, so video question I can add single video. Okay, now I am going to use this single screen recording, skipping the video for now. Screen recording, because this is the good feature, and we'll try checking these two only. Okay, so now I have recorded here audio, and this one recording. Now coming back to cues, and let me try reviewing this one. Please click on the preview cues, start attempt. So there are not enough question in the category 53 to create a random question of 43. So now again, if I try previewing this particular quiz one, then I see the issue like this. Then how you can fix that? So this is something you have added a random question here that is causing the issue. So you can come here on the questions, and you see random questions based on filter. See if I again go back to question. So in case that issue is coming, you can delete this one, this particular one, because it is giving the issue. So I have to delete from here. Okay, so if I refresh, preview queues, click on preview queues, start attempt, and now I am able to attempt that. So this is true. Next, true, true, option C. Now from here I can record audio. Yes, so this is audio recording for the testing purpose. Okay, so now I am going to stop this recording. Okay, so here once you play, you will also have the feature you can re-record. Okay, in case you want to re-record, and in case you want to download your recording, you will have that ability from here. So this is the audio type question one. Okay, so similar facility you will have under video also. Now coming next, so here you can see I had added a screen recording stuffs here. It's a no recording. Okay, so start screen recording. If I click on this, it will be asking me to it's just a normal recording. Either it will be asking for the Chrome, you can go for the window, you can go for any particular, in all the open one or entire. Okay, so let me come here with the entire. Yeah, so something similar to this will come there. Okay, if I am browsing this one, you will be able to see this self-assessment page on the screen. Then record audio video question type. This is the tab I had currently. So currently I'm on this, uh, you can see here on the screen record. Now you can start the recording. Okay, so once you started the recording, you can see the recording. So currently I'm on the page of self-assessment. Okay, so I scroll down. Now I am on the record audio video question type tab of Chrome. Okay, so let's go back and try stop recording. Yeah, so you can also play the recording. Yeah, yeah, it also records the sound. So here you can see this is how the recording will be working. Okay, so let me finish this quiz and submit all on finish. You can see your responses like this. In case of audio, you'll have the teacher will have the similar ability, or grader they can say like this, or a student also can see their recordings. Okay, okay, so let me click on the finish review. Yeah, so this is how you will be able to use this combination of the self-assessment and this record, because when we go to install this audio video question type recording, it will be asking to self-assessment as a dependency. Okay, so this is all from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.